Hello everyone. On this video I'm going to show you on how to make a backup of the database or a configuration of the software, and I will also show you how to restore them if you want to transfer the backup from an older computer to another one in case you're upgrading your software or your computer, as well as the software. That's also needed so you don't have to reconfigure everything up. So the backup consists of pretty much everything that you configured on the software: door schedules, access schedules, cards, all of it pretty much. So to start, you just need to go to maintenance right there on the top and then click backup database. Here you can select the path where you want it to save. So for now I'll just put it on the desktop, and then you can put whatever name you want or file name you want. So for now I'll just put this. Once you're done, you click backup. Okay, so once you're done, it will show you the message saying it's backed successfully. Click OK and then OK again. So that file will show up here on your desktop, and then you can copy that, put on your thumb drive or flash drive. Okay, so that's how you make a backup of the database. Now I will show you how to restore the database. So for example, I'm transferring a backup from an older PC into this new computer. Right, so I'm just gonna go into maintenance and then go to restore database, and here you have to select the file that you made. So the file that I made, I copied it into the C drive, program files x86, WashNet, and then dbback folder. So the reason why I put it there is because easier for the software to access the file. If there is a security rights or Windows rights, sometimes software is not able to use the file because if it's on a different path or if it's location, software is just doesn't have full rights. So that's why I put it there. Okay, so once you're done, once you select that, you can select the file and then click open. Okay, and then just simply click the restore button right there. So the reason why it shows me this message is because I have a current configuration on the software, so it's just asking me if you want to still restore it because it will override the old configuration. So just click yes, and it will start that restoring process, and then you'll see this message saying it's successfully restored. Now the software will restart. Okay, so once it restarts, just wait for it to restart there. So as soon as you restart or the software resumes, you will see this message because this is the old computer name. So the new computer name of this computer doesn't match it. So because it's a different computer, you just need to click OK, and then this one on this window, you just click yes. It will ask you to reselect the server name, and then here's where you can enter the server name. So you can actually copy the server name from about your PC setting on your computer. When you open that, you can see the device name right there. I'll just copy that, and then I'll just paste it into this field right here. Okay, once you copy and paste it there, click OK. Now the software will start again, and if you notice here, it's a client because this software is trying to connect to the old computer name. So when I reselect the server name and re-entered it, it will now be a server once it reboots. Okay, so it's just rebooting, and when it's back, you can actually the server on top. Okay, and yeah, right there on the top it shows you server. So now this is the new server. I can reconnect the controller into this computer and make this as a server for software. Okay, alright, so that's how you make a backup and how to restore. If you want to restore your backup into another computer. Okay, thanks for watching, and have a good day.